And our next company we are going to visit is from Shenzhen Pvison. Shenzhen Pvison Technology Company. Hello, hi.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
I'm Cassie.
Cassie, hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Cassie,
yes. Wait for me.
Sure.
Please.
Don't worry. Take your time. A Pvison Technology Company is coming from Shenzhen, and our host is Cassie.
Yeah, please wait for me some time. Hello?
Yes. Yes, I am here.
Hello?
Hi. You can start.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear from you. And you can start when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Cassie. Good day for you. I'm Cassie from Pvison Technology Corporation Limited. Our factory in Guangdong, Shenzhen. Our factory focuses on produce LED grow light kits for many years. Now let me introduce our new arrived cotton board LED grow light to you. You can see all this new design. It is 320 watts. Firstly, please look at our special driver structure. Our driver is different from other exposed driver. Our driver is more safer and more elegant. Our driver with the famous brand Susan. In our driver, you can see, you can see our driver with a breathing light in it. When you open your light, it looks like the light breathing together with your plant. It's very beautiful and perfect. Yeah. As you know, the extremely heat dissipation determine the grow light long lifespan. In our design, we add the eye holes on the driver and adopt eye cycle system. You can see our design. The cold eye will going from this gap and come out from the holes, and by this way it take away the heat to reduce the temperature. Yeah. At the same time, open light. Yeah. At the same time, you can see we use the pure aluminum heat sink. Match with the circuit board. Yeah. First, control the heat dissipation. Keep the higher the thermal conductivity. In our design, you don't need to worry about the driver's heat radiation. We can control the low temperature and keep your LED can work longer lifespan. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. After introduce our best heat sink, now let me introduce our most important, our high efficacy PPE. Yeah. Please look at our this new item, 320 watt. The PPE is 2.61 U-mol per J, and the PPF is with 786 U-mol per second. This is the actual measured date, and this measured date by the integrated sphere. Now in my hand, there is a test report by the integrated sphere, you can see
Mhm.
you can see the PPE and the PPF is actual measured. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So our this item is with the full spectrum, and we also add some red like wavelengths 660 millimeter and 730 millimeter diodes in it. These wavelengths have significant influence on photosynthetic and maximum increase the commercial value of the cannabis. Yeah. As our experience, the green light are more like to grow in the red 660 millimeter together with the 730 millimeter, and the Emerson effect of 730 millimeter. The efficiency of photosynthetic will be much higher than
Much
only
higher.
use one. Yeah, much higher. Yeah, than only one wavelength. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, high PPE and high yields, and your plant will help your plant growth
Yes.
very well and higher yield. Yeah.
High efficiency, the combination of the wavelets.
Yeah. Also, in our this design, we also add a special function. The Bluetooth control the dimming. Yeah. The brightness of the light can be controlled by the Bluetooth. Yeah. Let me see you. Give me my phone. Wait for me a moment.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. You can see by our phone, you can control your grow light convenience. Yeah. Because every plant in every stage, it needs the different brightness lighting. Yeah. So we can control by our phone. Yeah. Let me show you. Yeah. Like this. 50%, 100%. You can see the brightness is different and the change. Yeah. We also can close it by this.
Shut down. Oh, it's
shut down. Yeah. Open again. Yeah. This is very convenient for control your grow light and set your demand brightness for your plants and help your plants grow well. Yeah. In the other hand, our design is very slim and very easy to install. Only one connection. Yeah.
Charging.
Yeah, plug and play.
Oh, great.
Very easy to operate.
Yes.
And
so
also our product. Yeah.
Hand is on. Hand products on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in the grow tent, you can see our grow light is corporate. It's matched with the grow tent. Yeah. You hang in the grow tent. You can plant your demand plants. Yeah. So our this item is with waterproof IP65. Yeah.
Waterproof. Yes.
Yeah, waterproof IP65, and we also have the series test reports for exporting. Yeah, like CE, ROS, and ETL, and so on. Yeah, it's okay to export to all over the world. Yeah, our quality is guaranteed. Yeah, normally our guaranteed is about 3 years. 3 years. Yeah. If you have during this period, if you have some problem, you can contact with us at any time. Yeah, we want to give you the best service. Yeah. So after this new design, if you have any interesting, you can contact with us.
Mhm.
Yeah, you can contact with us. Our factory is in Guangdong province. Yeah, this is
Province.
our contact information. You
Okay.
can make a note. If you have interest, you can contact with us.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Hope you have make a note. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
At the
for
same
your-
time,
Uh-huh.
At the same
Sure.
time, you can add my WhatsApp. Yeah.
WhatsApp. What's
Yeah.
QR? WhatsApp.
Yeah. If you have the interest, you can contact. You can add my WhatsApp. I will give you more information about our product. Yeah.
Yes. Very great.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Cassie. Thank you for your
Yeah.
professional introduction for this very
Yeah.
good, very good product. And this,
Thank you. Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
So see you next time and have a
See
good day.
you. Okay. See you next time.
good-
See you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.